How to make a paper airplane from printer paper. Take a rectangular piece of paper of any color. Fold the left side to the right. Press down well on the folded part. Open it. Flip to the other side. Fold the top right corner to the center line we just made. Press down well on the fold. Fold the left corner to the center line. Press down on the fold. Fold the corner of the paper from the central crease to the edge of the airplane. Do the same on the other side. Take the top corner and fold it down. Smooth out the folded area well. Fold the paper from the right side. Smooth out the folded area well. Fold the left side as well and press the paper with your fingers. Fold the airplane in half along the central line. Create the wings on both sides of the airplane. Unfold the airplane's wings. Find the optimal wing position for your airplane so that it flies well and far. Hold it with your fingers like this and launch the little plane. Write in the comments what you think about the plane.